Imagine hiccuping every single day for 68 years. This was the reality for Charles Osborne, who holds the record for the longest hiccup attack. It all started in 1922, when a simple fall triggered a relentless bout of hiccups that would continue unabated until 1990. Osborne's predicament turned a routine bodily function into a lifelong challenge, affecting his speech and daily activities. Despite seeking medical advice and trying numerous remedies, the hiccups persisted, becoming an integral part of his life. Yet, in the face of what many would find unbearably frustrating, Osborne managed to adapt, even starting a family and living a relatively normal life. His story is not just a testament to the unpredictability of the human body but also to the resilience of the human spirit, transforming an involuntary reflex into a story of perseverance and adaptability.